7 plants that lower cholesterol naturally. Today we are going to see which plants help lower cholesterol. We will first say that we are not doctors but are very interested in medicinal plants, our grandmother's recipes, and everything related to natural cures. What we will tell you is not an invention of ours, but it is based on and studied by experts. In the video description, I will leave you where to find these studies on which we have based this video so you can review them if you are interested. The point is that when we incorporate food into our body to take advantage of its nutrients, metabolization generates oxidation that is very bad for the body and must be eliminated. In addition to nutrients, plants have other substances that help to eliminate this oxide or prevent it from forming, which is why they are called antioxidants. Among the antioxidants found in plants, we find polyphenols, carotenoids, vitamin C, and vitamin E. What I'm going to tell you in this video today are plants that have a high concentration of polyphenols. Then you will discover how to use them to lower your cholesterol, and you will also see some precautions that you have to take so that this silver does not produce any contraindications. One of the best plants, or the one that is most studied to reduce cholesterol is 1. Artichoke or alkazil, artichoke wild. It is proven that artichoke or artichoke extract reduces lousy LDL cholesterol and maintains unchanged the good cholesterol, which is HDL. This is because the section contains a polyphenol called cynurin, whose properties are to prevent the oxidation of fats and also increases the secretion of bile, which accelerates digestion and metabolism. To take advantage of the properties of artichokes should be steamed, preferably for up to 15 minutes. Do not cook it more because the properties are lost and the essential oil evaporates, and let it stand for 5 minutes. Then you eat it seasoned with lemon. 2. Prickly pear cactus. We include the prickly pear cactus, also known as nopal and other names, here to help treat high cholesterol, diabetes, obesity, and hangover. It is also known for its antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. The leaves of the prickly pear cactus prevent the absorption of much of the cholesterol ingested, as well as the conversion of excess sugar in the blood into fat. Prickly pear cactus can be eaten as a vegetable. It is high in fiber, antioxidants, and carotenoids. The prickly pear cactus is famous in many areas of the world. The edible parts are the leaves, flowers, stems, and fruits. The prickly pear cactus is eaten whole, boiled or grilled. It is also processed into juice and jam. If you want to try prickly pear cactus, consider taking it slowly. Side effects in some people include mild diarrhea, nausea, increased stool volume, increased stool frequency, and abdominal fullness. 3. Basil. Basil leaves have a high concentration of eugenol. This polyphenol inhibits the oxidation of fats, which causes atherosclerosis. The accumulation of fats, cholesterol, and other substances inside the arteries and their walls. To take advantage of basil's properties, it should be consumed raw in salads or chopped in a pesto recipe and can also be consumed as an infusion up to twice a day. 4. Rosemary. Rosemary essential oil has a polyphenol called carnosic acid, a powerful antioxidant that inhibits the formation of bad LDL cholesterol without touching the HDL. It is also suitable for controlling triglycerides, consumed as a garnish in foods, and consumed in infusions and tinctures. These are herbal extracts, often considered supplements. Rosemary is purchased in plants or can be obtained from cuttings and seeds. Still, I do not recommend getting it from sources because the plant that comes out may not be as aromatic and may have fewer properties than rosemary obtained from cuttings. It needs sun, but more importantly, it needs loose, well-drained soil. Rosemary roots do not like to be soaked for a long time, which is why they die very quickly. 5. The dandelion has many properties, and it has been studied that its flowers, leaves, stems, and roots have a powerful antioxidant called siccaric acid that prevents the formation of cholesterol and triglycerides. The fresh leaves and flowers can be consumed in salads, and the flowers, leaves, dried, and ground roots can be consumed in infusions. The dandelion grows only. You can identify it by the yellow flora because it makes like that baker and because the leaf has dandelions, another plant that reduces bad cholesterol. 6. Ginger. Ginger in its stem has more than 20 antioxidants that inhibit the formation of fat. It can be grown at home. Its branches are planted in spring, and it will let them grow throughout the season in autumn. When the cold starts, you will see that the leaves begin to turn yellow at that time and are harvested. You take the roots, rhizome, bulb, tuber, that you will consume during the year, and a part of them you keep to plant again next spring. 7. Turmeric. Turmeric has the same properties as ginger. It prevents oxidation and therefore reduces cholesterol levels. To take advantage of the benefits of all these plants and to consume them daily, you can make infusions with a tablespoon of dried leaves or 2 tablespoons of fresh leaves, put them in a cup, add a cup of boiling water, let stand between 5 and 10 minutes and take it immediately. Warning: the consumption of these plants should not have contraindications, but do not overdo it. It is not recommended to take more than 2 infusions daily since the consumption of these plants in excess can have some contraindicated effects such as complicated pregnancy, lower blood sugar levels, slow blood clotting, and decrease the absorption of iron and even interfere with the use of some medications. Tip: before consuming these plants for therapeutic use, consult your doctor for authorization and tell you what precautions you have to take. Information: it is essential for your body, but everything always has to be balanced. Because the excess can clog your arteries and cause a heart attack or arteriosclerosis. Having balanced cholesterol is essential, and for this, it is fundamental to eat healthy, not to eat meat in excess, to avoid fats and flour in excess, to avoid stress, and not to have a sedentary life. This is much more important than any infusion that can take. I want to ask you something. If you like the video, give me a like and share it. This will help me immensely. Share it everywhere. People worried about cholesterol are waiting for it. I also leave you the subscription button to the channel so you can subscribe. If you still need to subscribe, that's all. I send you a big hug. Never lose enthusiasm. And remember to keep watching our videos. Thank you very much.